The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla! Wow, my people, big up and respect Dancehall skilla there again, you see it? Yeah, manners, you see it? Alright, so there seems to be a dispute between a female who goes by the name of Erica and a man who goes by the name of Ashanti360 on social media. You see it? Yeah, from the other day, me see different persons. I say a bag of things about Ashanti360, you see me? And he had been accused of doing some things. You see me? I say, anyways, I'm going to present a video to you, and this video is going to show Erica talking about Ashanti360, and according to the context, it seems as if she responded to some things that he said about her. You see me? Now, some harsh languages have been used in this video, viewers and subscribers, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media, you see me? And you can also let me know what you think about this video as well. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
My 360 family walk one. Who I cook that food and I talk about them I feed homeless. And I cook pure dog food at Portland. Some of them need to go back to the blood clot house and go walk the streets again. Them can't have blood clot cook that.
Alright. Dirty boy Ashanti. Dirty boy Ashanti. Yes, me did in the house. Me build the whole of this. You want me walk you out in this? Eh? You want me walk you out in this? And tell your fans them, go look at job. You ever hear say me trouble nobody pitney? You can't talk to me. No boy with trouble people pitney can't talk to me. You sin. You don't see it. How are you born out? You cuss every woman. You rape all your friend pitney. How are you there? How are you? Which one now who can contact to me? Tell me now. Out of me got on who way in the Bible. The Bible say you feel be headed in the street. He never says so about me. No. Alright now. Me know why your problem. The Bible never said that about me. Me is a perfect word from the Bible. Yes. And you a cock up a roadside. Nobody never see me a roadside a cock up a look place a piece. In a foreign. Who you? Dirty Ashanti. You can't stand up in front of this warrior. I have made something from my whole life. Oh. I am proud of it. Who you make out of you? Picnic can't stay safe you. Oh no, listen why picnic can't stay safe you. You can't talk to me. I sin by you because you trouble people picnic. I mean it saying you got trouble people picnic. Come again. Me answer that part they come here answer your word for word.
Cougar people. Some man are real enough to collect donation. On the tough and look like blood clot man. Whenever look on yourself, that don't look like man. But the goddamn right. Look how my skin smooth.
Alright now, people. Listen to landlord now. Look how the man's skin smooth. Man skin fi smooth. Man hand fi soft. This boy a run competition with woman. A true Ashanti put on frock and brassiere and he no look good in it. But in her mind, in jealous over woman, a true breast can't fit pan him. You see him mouth corners a from frat and him mouth long. Can't talk to me. Can't ever charity Ashanti would go foreign. Pum pum yam send me everywhere. Pum pum yam make me travel the world. Pum pum yam make me cruise and everything I have big old Ashanti. How where you come from? You're jealous over woman. You know fi soft. Man fi feel like man. You think me want no man feel like baby body? Ashanti you know fi feel like baby body. Man a man. You can talk about smooth body. A soft body. Dirty Ashanti. I compare you. A I see where you're born from. You're born from the other part near to the pom pom yam. You don't born from pom pom yam. Me now ask that. Yes, and I true you put on frock and G-string and it don't fit you. Cause you want your body be smooth. But cool you too. Hey! You want your body to do what? Are your body smooth and nice? No, sir. This is one of them who jealous over woman. It's a real woman, yeah. See them here, I can quiz them up, beat them. Look. Real woman, your boy Ashanti. You put on breast and it no fit you. Frock no fit you. Nothing no fit you. So you try come with smooth skin. Nobody know why you. Find a job. You not tell me if you find a job. Anytime Ashanti will start charity before everybody else go work. Me go work. I never see Ashanti go work yet. Ashanti sick. You're sick. Just listen what I must say after this. What's the difference between a whore and a... Me not tell you when say I will answer then. I want to tell me what the difference between... I tell me say me and him sell the same thing. But Ashanti, I bill your bill for your parts. Me born with it. Come again. Me and you in this.
Lotion lady. You tough and look like board. You can't control the internet. You can't control what people do. When you don't want me expose the scam of them. Cause the true you would have done on the list and you are get ready for scam. Cause you already scam already, you know. You're scam. Cause you're scrape from the bottom. And nobody not.
Me and you again, Ashanti. Go look when me a start charity. When we start charity with top balcony, middle balcony, side balcony, 5 veranda, and 3 story, a flat one up front, a club. How are you there? And 2.5 acre land. And a piece of van park up in my garage. Where you start charity with? Where you start charity with? And a passport and visa too. Tell me where you start charity with. If you want to talk to me can't scrape from the bottom. You not start with nothing. I'll know you not have nothing for sure. More where you are thief. Me no business with you. And where you are. Me sure when me start charity me video, everything when me got come Ashanti. Put up for your video where you start charity with and put up for me nasty girl. 3-tongue girl. Laba girl. Come in at this. Put up where you start charity with and come talk to the open charity. And people per life ask me if I do charity. Me they come per life to collect my rent. And come chat about me picnic them. And me come with me things pan charity. Me video them when they tell me about charity. Me say, oh no look here. Look for all of this. You can't talk to me. No time, madam. She, we, double he, double C. You can't talk to me. No time. Not even me toilet you can't talk to in my house. Me's a proud professional whore. Thank you. Come again.
Donate to you. So you know why me talk about the things them. Yo, some
tell people say you don't got nothing.
People, cause pure dog food and I cook and give people. So the people them homeless and they forget them dog food. Yo, I'm telling you, play with me, you know. Oh no, yo, more treat on the worse. Than on the pimp them treat on no. Yeah? Big Daddy Ashanti pimp D. More treat on the worse than how the pimp treat on no. Some man about now the charity. And if I go back now the blood clot warehouse. Can't tell.
Ashanti, talk to me nice. Talk nice. Me not shame to be a whore. But me know the back door. The rest of the whore, they don't know the back door upon the whore house. You have to talk to landlord nice. I think me just... Me don't know where you get Ashanti from. Me earn landlord. Notice it. And a false name me get, you know. A landlord me come here is to collect my pum pig money out of my house. So come Ashanti. You have to talk to me nice as a star whore. Me know the back door upon the whore house. And me a proud whore. So you can't send me back. After the front, me walk out front door going a whore house. And me walk out back door come out with many things. You can't tell me if you go back through the front door. That if me never know it, you have to go talk to your rest of the world them when you make nothing. Ashanti, you can't talk to me. And a charity give me nothing here. Look at Ashanti face. You know more time when me use the pum yam hard. Catch all 130, 40 man for one night and go back tomorrow night, go catch 120 more. And you sit on Bex and swell over. I saw Ashanti look. Like when you sit on Bex and swell up, I say take time with me landlord. Then time them me I work hard for y'all when me have ya. Yeah? So it tongue just laying down for one blood clot so Bex with me. I saw Ashanti look. Yes. You can't tell me nothing. Me proud of it. Tell the people them who is you. And when you get out time, me no want to tell them. Can me listen to live. Listen here.
Son was Wall Street prostitution on the door.
Me a top star prostitute, man.
You know that on my level.
No time.
Go and cook your dog food. Me a chef. Me cook for human being.
Wake up a roadside and piss like that.
Daddy Ashanti360, the pimp.
The pimp. People. That's what me want to hear. You hear what I say? This is Ashanti360, the pimp. What is a pimp? Ashanti, that's why me make money. You could have pimped me. A pimp are the one where pimp the war. When me go hustle, you come back and pimp me out, dog. So you see it, you chat till you chat yourself. You're a pimp. What did you make out of your pimp life? Where you did come on live with? Put up with the ears near and go ask Ashanti, me say, he address himself as a pimp. What is a pimp? How word them pimp? You have to know the word them where you talk. So you live off a war. But you never get to live off of me because me want. What you do it for your pimp money? That mean you joke man, you joke woman, you joke fowl, you joke dog, you joke puss, you joke cat. You's a pimp. You do deep throat, bag throat, side throat, front throat, back throat. I use it so. That's the job of a pimp. Talk to me nice now. Tell me say me and you know in the same circle. What did you get out of your pimp life? I should have night now. Where I can walk around a video. And show your lotion and cologne boy where you never use yet. Great old poison, obsession, Gucci. Go away. When I show you this in my bathroom, down to me toilet clean on your mouth. Pimp, ha, pimp, ha, pimp, ha. Where you come alive with? If me can't talk to you, what did you come do charity with? Yes, me and war me compare. Yeah, I video everything when me got before me do charity. Me how much you room them, me everything. So please, if you want, come talk up to the warrior and send me back a war house. Pimp, pimp Ashanti, you see so. Pimp, send me back a war house, dirty, stinking, nasty pimp. Send me. This want a drink. We can't done yet. I have fight that. Me tell you something. Yes, me thirsty because I want to address him. I address it. You know, commercial break. I go get something for drink. My student, they send money, come give me for buy drink. Student, you know yourself. Me I go get one cause me did buy them for chew. Go out of go. Me forgot to show your student. You said me fi buy a crate of Heineken. My students say me fi buy a box of Magnum and a crate of Heineken. See it out of my fridge, me go take a cold Heineken in my fridge. Yes, I did buy it. Who jealous? I go and drink the Heineken here and belch by your dirty pimp. Cheers, pimp. You don't even know one attack. So every woman you want to run up in her. Yes. Are you born with thumper? You born double. Your sister depa. Commercial break. No make me fine. And me throat it Heineken too hard so he frat me away pan him. Commercial break. May I beg something in the cash shop? Yeah, I'll get your cup. Run, go on and come. Bright and bright. How that one? Samantha Martin, you have grave digging tomorrow. Commercial break, oh. How is this so? You make me you hear me laugh, you know. Uncle my student they know so they laugh, they are so wicked laugh. Wait now we have play the rest. Me have to take a drink because I want dip up underneath him. Word for word. How you want countries? Pimp. This pimp. See that you want trace me and you come out cause me and your co-worker. Where you make out of your pimping life? Where you come on live with? Until you find a job, me find one. Send me back, go where? Me a your size? Ya send me back, go where? You have to show me first where you did have when you come on live, not even foreign you never used to go. Hey! I have traveled all about the same thing where you cause give me pimp. If you not do for your right thing, you wouldn't turn pimp. I can't pimp sell to you, know, pimp sell man and woman. You say you have me not education, you have education and you call yourself a pimp. That mean you have thumper. Or a bumper you have. What you have? Rotted. The boy Ashanti I walk with 2 hole, 3 hole, 4 hole, 5 hole in nose hole, in ears hole. In mouth hole, in eye hole, in arm hole, in bee hole, and in a pum pum yam too. As so much hole you have, boy? No, sir. Cheers, sweetheart. No wait by your cheers. You know, see some of the thirsty. Me like when you're in well cool, when you're not well cool. Please, may I ask you for something in the cash app? Or this even $1, man. Yes, since every time I come on live, me beg me I do good things with it.
Alright people, I just make you know what go on. So I say, this video is being talked about on social media. You don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? So you can let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla. You know, big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. Dancehall, skilla, entertainment.